draw play. Charles, they're waiting on him. Gets this to yard. Now fumbles the ball late. It's picked up by the Broncos. And he's in the end zone for an unbelievable touchdown. And what a crushing loss for Kansas City. The Chiefs are going to lose it to the Packers, 38-28. A flurry of points at the end for Kansas City. Not enough. Hill slamming into the end zone, touchdown Cincinnati. And the Chicago Bears rally for a big-time 15-point second half to shock Kansas City. Chiefs lose their 5th straight game, and the Vikings go to 3-2.
And I know we've got good talent here, and I know we have good coaches. We need to get over this hump and work our way through this. There's got to be a sense of urgency that takes place to get that done. You know, I trust that we'll get that part done.
Beautiful Sunday here at Arrowhead Stadium.
We need to win for on a Sunday. Be a team, baby.
Spare nobody. Spare nobody. We in the same situation. Let's get it. But we still on the same mission. Bam on 2, 1, 2.
Alex Smith under center. Alex Smith throws left side. Pass caught. Conley stretches out. Touchdown! Kansas City! And Kansas City is going to get rid of 5 games of frustration, at least for one afternoon, and head for London with a victory over the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Keep this feeling going, huh?
Counterplay West. Up the middle inside the 5. No way! Touchdown! Kansas City! And the Chiefs with an onslaught.
53 Werewolves just took over London right here. I like it. This is the type of stuff we want to get into. We got a chance to do something special, man. Don't let this opportunity slip away, man. Do it. Let's go. Play for the man next to you.
I'm going to give me everything I got. I'm going to lay it on the line. I'm going to put my heart out here on this field.
25, 20, 15, 10, 5, touchdown! Kansas City! Where? Lowers the shoulder, gets into the secondary, and is tackled from behind. Spencer Ware, looking like Marcus Allen. He gets to the 45-yard line. Again, a clean pocket, right for Macklin, deep, right side, caught it, touchdown!
Number 92 is eligible.
Kansas City's got Dontari Poe in at fullback, along with Anthony Sherman. They give it off to Poe. Poe trying to slam into the end zone. He's got it, touchdown! Kansas City, Dontari Poe on a fullback plunge.
I told y'all they give me that boy over 6.
They're gonna run a screen. And it's intercepted! Intercepted Justin Houston, 10, 5, touchdown! Houston tastes the sweet nectar of the end zone on his first pick 6 of his career. The Kansas City Chiefs have won their 4th consecutive game, and the Chiefs have beaten the Oakland Raiders to sweep the AFC West on the road for the first time in 20 years. And the Chiefs have won 7 straight and go to 8-5. And the Kansas City Chiefs have won 8 consecutive games. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, game's over! The game's over! And Johnny Manziel slams his helmet to the ground! The Chiefs started 1-5 and now have won 10 consecutive games to close out the season.
Hey, congratulations, man. We'll take it by 1 point. We'll take it by 20 points. It doesn't matter. You're in the dance. So.
Houston has won the toss, deferred, so Kansas City will receive it.
Taken by Niall Davis. He's going to bring it out between the hash and numbers on the left side. 15 breaks free. He's at the 30. He's at the 40. He's out in field. Niall Davis, the Houston native. 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown! Kansas City!
Hey, vertical! Vertical!
Now Hoyer under duress. He throws a pick. It's intercepted by Kansas City to 33 by Eric Berry. And the cancer survivor from chemotherapy to the Pro Bowl has intercepted a pass for Kansas City.
And here comes J.J. Watt on offense, and Vince Wilfork is coming on the field to play offense for the Texans. Look out here.
I wouldn't be surprised if they put J.J. Watt in the Wildcat.
Woo!
Houston Texans throw a pick at the goal line. Loads up, throwing long. He wants Nate Washington. It's intercepted on an overthrow. Peters has it. Throws over the middle. Hopkins, it's intercepted. Picked up by Sean Smith. Another interception. That's 4 if you're keeping track in the kingdom. Smith throws for the end zone. Caught. Chris Conley. Touchdown. Handoff. Ware breaks a tackle inside the 5. Touchdown. Kansas City. And 8 straight postseason losses is going to end today with a dominating Chiefs performance. Kansas City has beaten the Houston Texans 30-0 in the wild card weekend. And the big red coach with the big red mustache has liberated the Chiefs kingdom.
Hey, just for all those fans that showed up, baby, how about those? That's right.
65 toss power trap.